Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what to do if the Dave app took money from your account and how you can stop it from happening again. Let's get started. First, open the Dave app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on extra cash at the bottom of your screen. If you borrowed money before, Dave may have automatically taken a repayment. You will see the repayment date and amount here. If there is an option for manage repayment, tap it and see if you can change the date or turn off automatic payment. Next, go to the settings at the top of your screen. After that, tap on link banks. Be shown which bank account Dave is pulling money from. Tap on the bank and choose on link remove or disconnect bank. Confirm your choice to stop Dave from withdrawing money. If money was already taken and you don't understand why, tap support or help in the Dave app. Start a chat and explain the situation. Dave support can tell you exactly why the money was taken and help stop future withdrawals. Finally, open your bank app and make sure there are no pending charges from Dave, and that's it. Now you know why Dave took money from your account and how to stop it using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.